Hello, welcome to Victor Shamaki and Happy New Year. So, this is a brand year and we are just resuming. This is February 2nd. So, officially, we've resumed for the year. So, we'll be dropping some of our experience we had over the festive period. So, my photographers, come closer, come closer. All right. Now that you're here, another album designer aside from Fundi Designer is available. So we're going to learn how to install that album designer. It is called Pixelu Smart Album. So if you're looking at the top rated photo book designer, you'll be looking at Fundi Designer and you'll be looking at Pixelu Smart Albums. All right. So we have treated Fundi Designer several times ago on the channel. But one of the problem is that to get the license for Fundi Designer is kind of hard, but this one is quite easier. So on the link on the description of this video, you will find the Google Drive link to this software. So once you have it, you're going to just right click, use the 7-zip and then extract it. Okay, so once that is done, I already have it extracted. So once that is done, you open it and you're going to just simple straightforward installation. Just double click on this setup, then you click on yes, then you click on next, click on accept, you click on next, click on next, you click on next. If you want an icon created on desktop, you check it, but I don't want. Click on next and then you click on install. So it's very easy, it does not take time, you just install within few seconds. So I do not want to call the name of that thing, which you know what we want to do in order to make this work. Okay. So I'm just going to not launch it and I'll click on finish. So you will have this thing up, but I'm not going to use the middle one. It's the same thing. All right. So I'm going to use it. So just copy this and you will take it to the install file. So I'll just right click on this and then open location. Then I'll right click on it and open location. So I'm just going to drop this and then that's all. So I'll click on continue and I think that is all for this. And then all you need to do is to launch it. So let's launch it. No, it's not opening, but okay. So that's it. We have our Smart Album 2 installed. So thank you for watching and do come back here for how to use it and other form of video tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.